Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a game pass and set up a please donate booth on your mobile phone. First, you need to go ahead and open your web browser on your device, then go to roblox.com. And once on the home menu, tap on create in the top of the screen that is between marketplace and Roblox. This will take you to the creator hub. Scroll down and select your experience. Tap on the three lines in the left hand side of the screen. From here, scroll all the way down, then go to monetization section, and here tap on passes. Now tap on create a pass, which is highlighted in blue color. Here you can upload an image if you want and set the name of your pass. You can also add a description if you want and then tap on create pass, which is highlighted in blue color. Now you'll see the game pass you just created. If there is a loading sign, don't worry, it can take a moment. Tap on the game pass you just created, and this will take you to another page. Then tap on the three lines in the left-hand side of the screen and go to sales, that is below the basic settings. Now simply toggle the option of item for sale and set the default price. Now tap on save changes in the bottom and also select enable regional pricing. You'll get 70% of the Robux if someone buys it. Then tap on save changes, and after saving, you can go back to Roblox on your phone and open Please Donate, find an unclaimed booth, walk up to it, and press and hold the circle icon that appears. You will now see the game pass you just created on the sign, and people can buy it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.